welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm so glad that you are here today. And we are going to be doing a look with the Frida Kahlo by Ulta beauty box, and it is really cool. It was $30, and it got marked down. Then it was marked down to like $14.99, and then it was marked down again to $7.50, and that's what I got when I got this. I actually bought this last year, right when I first started doing my beauty channel, and I didn't like it. I didn't think I liked it that much, and I don't remember if I really liked it or not, but I don't think I did at the time. But for some reason I wanted to give this another shot. I did return it the first time to Ulta, but for $7.50 you get an eyeshadow palette, and this is a color switching pad inside this little tin, and then you can take all this stuff out and have a great commemorative box to put things in. It's very beautiful, and I'm excited to do a book with this and do some swatches. So Frida Kahlo is one of my favorite artists, and she was amazing, and this is what the palette looks like. And it is actually really pretty. I didn't really remember it that well, but for some reason I was drawn to get it again, you know. So let's do some swatches. This first color is about the color of my flesh. That is a real pale pink. That is dynamic. So let me show you that up close. So this is my flesh tone, and then the light pink, and look, that's got a great iridescence to it. And that color is called Magic, that really iridescent color. I think this palette is much nicer than I remember, and much nicer than most Ulta palettes. I really don't like their brand of makeup very often. And this has a interesting color story to it, but it's swatching really nicely. And look at that gold, it's really beautiful. And you know, doing something from when I first started, trying something from when I first started doing YouTube makes for an interesting comparison. And I'll try to find the video from last year and link it below, and see if you guys are interested in checking that out. But it's swatched really nicely, and I'm really excited about doing a look with it a year later, almost a year later, not quite a year later. But I'm interested to see how that goes. I need to do some base, so I'm going to use my Profusion highlight and contour palette and go into the shade Contour here for my bronzer. Just to give myself a little bit of color. Under the old chinny chin chin. And then I'm going to go into the NARS new blush palette that I got. That is called Star Scene. I'm going to go into this darker blush. Come on, blush. That's not picking up real well. There we go. I hadn't used that blush color, so maybe it had like a little coating on it that I had to wake it up. It's really pretty. And for my highlight, I'm going to go with Peach Goddess from the Jeffree Star. And I'm not about the Jeffree Star craziness that's going on right now. with Shane Dawson and Tati and all that. I'm not paying any attention to that. I just like his stuff, and he can be whatever he's gonna be, but I already have this makeup and I like it. And so there, that's what I think about that. But that's about all you'll hear from me about any kind of drama going on. Like, I can't even keep up. I'm not even trying to keep up because there's just so much stuff being said and going on and ha-cha-cha, all that stuff. So I'm going to start with this color Dahlia in my crease. That is super pretty. And it went on nice and easy, very pigmented. That's super pretty. Now I'm going to get a brush that I like. I have so many brushes, but I only like a few of them. I really need to weed them down here in my little brush box. Come on, brush box. This is stained a little green but it's clean. Oh no, it's not clean. Let me clean that real quick. There's still some green left in there. That would not do. I usually try to clean my brushes, especially when there's been like a serious color. Now it's not green. That would have been crazy. So I'm going to go under the brow bone with Perla, this first color. And then next I'm going to go into this color Magic that's swatched so beautifully. My hair is in the way. That is just a stunning color. Super pretty. And clean off my brush. I'm going to put this color Mythical on my lid. It was also a real stunning shimmer. It's kind of a coppery color. That's looking amazing. So those look good together. Good morning. Heard old Romeo creeping in the background. It's in the early morning time that I'm recording this video. So it's me and him and the cats. So the cats are awake. He is stumbling around. And I think I'm going to go back into Dahlia here, this pink. And deepen it right here above the crease. I don't think I'm going to do a very complicated look today. I think this may be it. And I will definitely get into this palette again. I'm going to blend everything out. Soften it up. And that's just super pretty. Just keep softening. I'm really digging it. Super digging it. And there's plenty more looks that I can make with this palette. I don't remember why I didn't like it. I don't think, I mean, I've got so much more experience with makeup now that I guess I might feel differently about it. And this is the, I have to keep this because it's so hard to read it, the Hyper Easy Maybelline eyeliner. I've been using it a few times. I like it almost as much as I like my Too Faced Better Than Sex. And it's much less expensive. That looks cute. Gonna do my brows. I'll try not to forget to do mascara. Hello, brows. Look at those sexy bangs. She bangs, she bangs. Ooh, baby, and she moves, she moves. Anyway, you know that song, don't you? I do. Good old Ricky Martin. And this is the Milk Kush Mascara in a trial size. And I like it so much that I've ordered a full size of it. They just make beautiful, fluffy, feathery, delightful lashes with this brush and this formula. Just super pretty. And for my lippy, I think I'm gonna go nude. I'm going to go nude. I'm going to use this, it's Gerard Cosmetics. It's called Mile High. I knew it. And it's just a really pretty nude. And that just looks nice and subtle with this look. And here we have it, the Frida Kahlo palette and box set from Ulta. I think it's sold out, but it's really pretty. And I'm going to link my look from last year down below. And I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. We'll see you real soon. Like, comment, subscribe. I should have said that at the beginning. Whoops.